Hey there, it's Crystal, and I want to talk to all my people that love working with wood. If you're a beginner looking to learn the craft, or perhaps you're an experienced woodworker searching for a new inspiration, maybe you're someone that starts your woodworking and doesn't know how to finish. Whichever category you fall into, you've probably heard of Ted Woodworking. If not, I have something so special that I want to talk to you about. It's the ultimate woodworking guide that claims to have thousands of plans for all skill levels. It's called Ted Woodworking, and I promise you it lives up to the promise. So, in this review today, I want to take a closer look at what this woodworking guide has to offer. So, one of the things that stands out about TED Woodworking is the sheer number of plans available. There's over 16,000 detailed projects. That's definitely something for everyone here. There's definitely something that I would even look into, right? From simple projects like bird housing or to more complex pieces of furniture like pull out maybe picnic tables. The guide has it all. But quantity isn't everything, right? So the quality of the plan is just as important. And that's where TED Woodworking shines. It truly shines in this area. Each plan is meticulously crafted and comes with step by step instructions, which is completely easy to follow. Okay, so even if you're a complete novice, you'll find these plans incredibly helpful. What is even better is that these plans come with a variety of woodworking techniques that it also covers. So, whether you're interested in carving or turning, you'll find detailed explanations and helpful tips in this area as well. So, what about the customer support aspect about it? Well, Ted Woodworking excels in this area as well. They offer a lifetime access to their online customer support system, ensuring that any questions or issues that you have is answered promptly. Okay, so to sum it all up, Ted Woodworking is just a great working guide, and it lives up to its reputation with thousands of quality plans, detailed instructions, and excellent customer service with excellent customer support. It's undoubtedly a valuable resource for any woodworker, whether you're a novice or you're an expert. So definitely check out the video that I have coming up next, and thank you for watching my review video.
Ever struggled with a woodworking project? Welcome to Ted's Woodworking, a comprehensive solution crafted to make woodworking a breeze. It's not just about providing plans, it's about giving you the best shot at finishing your project quickly and flawlessly, whether it's your first attempt or you're a seasoned professional. Click on the link below to be one step closer to having step-by-step plans, detailed instructions, and clear schematics right at your fingertips. Bid farewell to woodworking struggles and confusion. Embrace the freedom to build anything from over 16,000 different projects. I know what you're thinking. Does it work? Is it as simple as you say it is? Imagine having a personal guide holding your hand through each woodworking project. That's the magic of Ted's Woodworking. It's like having a master craftsman right beside you, guiding you through the intricate steps of your project. The detailed plans, precise instructions, and vibrant schematics provided by Ted's Woodworking are the keys to unlocking your project's success. They remove all guesswork, transforming even the most challenging project into an enjoyable walk in the park. Each plan is so comprehensive, it's as if your project is building itself, one piece at a time. The sharp, colorful schematics ensure that there's no room for error or confusion. With instructions this clear, your project practically builds itself. All the pieces just click into place. Don't believe me? Click on the link to listen and read the testimonials. Thinking of building a picnic table or a dog shed? Ted's Woodworking has got you covered. From the smallest trinket box to the grandest of garden sheds, there's a plan for it. Picture this: intricate jewelry boxes, sturdy bookshelves, elegant dining tables, playful tree houses, or even a dreamy four-poster bed. You name it, Ted's Woodworking can help you make it. And it's not just about furniture. We're talking birdhouses, picnic tables, wooden toys, and so much more. You see, with over 16,000 projects to choose from, the possibilities are virtually endless. And remember, each project comes with step-by-step instructions, detailed schematics, and a comprehensive list of materials needed. With Ted's Woodworking, the only limit is your imagination. So what will you build today? By clicking on the link below, you can start building whatever your heart desires.